From the time that I recorded the video and then to the time that you're going to watch it, Desmos did an update where you cannot type in the standard form right here into Desmos and get your line and count your slope. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually go through and solve, put our line down, our equal sign, to find our slope. So when we want slope, again, we want to try to get it y equals mx plus b. The y is on your left-hand side, but we also have an x, so we need to move the x. So we're going to get rid of our x by putting a minus x, and we're going to squeeze it in on the other side with a minus x in there. These will zero out, and I have negative 2y. Don't forget that negative sign. Equals, and then we're going to write these side by side, negative x plus 14. You cannot write them together because one has an x and the other one does not. To undo multiply, we're going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. The 2's divide out, the negatives divide out. So you have y equals, and then from here, we're going to do our heart. And we have negative x over a negative 2. And when you do the other side of your heart, you have a positive 14 over a negative 2. And then we're going to simplify this so that we have y equals, and then a negative divided by a negative right here. A negative divided by a negative will give you a positive, and we can also say that's a 1x, so we have a positive 1/2 x. And then our second part of our heart, that pink side, a positive 14 divided by a negative 2 is going to be a negative 7. So the slope that we get is 1/2. And that's the slope that you're going to end up using whenever you are finding parallel to the given equation. You're also going to do those same steps whenever we get down to number 7. Since we can no longer just type that into Desmos and count, you will need to do the heart to find your slope